مشاهدينا وان اون اكسكلوسيف انترفيو اجريناها بمصر مع الممثله التركيه توبا يلي كلنا بنعرفها لانها الممثله الرئيسيه بدور لميس. توبا خبرتنا انه هيدي كانت اول زياره لها بمصر.
Welcome to Egypt.
Thank you very much. It's very nice to see you here with us. Thank you.
Is it the first time to visit Cairo, yes, or Egypt?
Yes, this is the first time. I haven't seen so much, but I just found time to visit the Cairo Museum, and it was, wow, fantastic, yeah. It was amazing history, as we all know.
Do you wish to come again to Egypt?
Yes, I would like to see a lot of things in Egypt.
Did you visit pyramids, Sphinx?
No, I don't have time for that, no. That's why I'm gonna come again.
منظر الشاب وهو مرمي على الأرض ما فرق خيالي أبدا. ما كنت أقول لك بس كنت رح أجن على الآخر.
لولاكي شو كان صار فيني. شكرا كتير لميس.
Did you expect the outstanding successful of our series سنوات الضياع for you in Arab media or Gulf area?
No, we didn't expect because we didn't know it's gonna be shown here. So we didn't know that. Then we heard that it's shown in Middle East, and we got surprised, and MBC called us for a visit Dubai, and we're really excited. Actually, I don't do plans so much. I'm just an actress. I love to act, and I'm just trying to do good things, quality with quality. That's my only thing.
تمام، اهتم لي بالموضوع. بتعرف قديش مهتمين بتشكيلة باريس. باي. وصلني طلب نقلك. ليش بدك تشتغلي بالصالة؟
بعتقد تكون أفضل بالمبيعات.
بتعرفي لازم تمري بالأول بفترة تدريب.
If you wanna know more about me, please watch me on Scoop.